everybody, I'm Krikri. Welcome back to my channel. Happy 4th of July. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this tulle wreath. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this. Let's get started. You will need a 14-inch foam circle and rolls of red, white, and blue tulle. The quantities I use are in the description box below. First, measure the tulle to see how far off the wreath it needs to come. This is mainly personal preference, but it affects how much tulle you will need at the end. Use the same strip as a template to cut the rest of the tulle to length. You will need 39 red strips. Repeat the same process for the white tulle. You will need 39 strips as well. Finally, do the same thing for the blue tulle. You will need 24 strips. I love how bright this blue tulle is. Which one is your favorite? Leave me a comment below. Once you're done cutting your strips, set them aside so you can start tying the wreath. Grab one strip of red tulle and fold it in half. Wrap it around the wreath and tie it into a knot. Tie the knot tight enough that it won't come undone, but not so tight that it breaks the tulle or the styrofoam. We need to repeat the process 2 more times to get a set of 3 red strips. Once our red knots are nice and tight, we will move on with the white. Use the same technique for the white strips. You will need to tie 3 as well. Keep tying and alternating the colors until you have 10 sets. Move it around as you need it to find a comfortable working position. As you're tying, make sure that the width is the same for both colors. Once you have the 10 sets, we will start tying the blue strips. Here's where we need to place the blue strip. Remember, this wreath is resembling an American flag. Try to keep the blue side in the correct spot. If you're liking this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. I love how this sparkly tulle looks. It is very beautiful. However, have your vacuum ready to clean up the glitter storm. Now that the blue side is complete, we will continue tying the rest of the white and red strips. You will need 13 sets of each color. Try to keep them as even as possible. At the end, you may have an extra space to complete. Tie blue strips to cover the space. You may need a few blue strips to make it perfectly even. This wreath will look amazing on your door, and I'm sure it will attract the attention of all your neighbors. Once you're done tying, fluff it and accommodate it to see if trimming is needed. Cut the pieces that look a little long as you go around. This step is optional, but it definitely helps give it a better look. As you trim the edges, it makes it look uniform and symmetrical. This project gets somewhat messy with all the cutting and the sparkles, but it's so pretty at the end. Give it a final fluff and you will be ready to add the decoration. I cut the stars and letters out of a sparkly scrap foam. Glue all the decoration with a hot glue gun. Keep the decorations flat, don't bend them around the wreath. Space the letters evenly. If you love crafts, check out my other DIY videos. There's a link in the right corner above. To add a special touch, I added a nice bow. The bow down with a hot glue gun. Glue the sides of the bow to help keep it in place. And the wreath is all ready. It turned out beautiful, didn't it? It was also very easy to do in spite of the sparkly mess. I wish you a happy Independence Day. Let's celebrate the day with joy and happiness. May peace and love always be with you. That was all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with all your friends. See you next week. Bye!